Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the app and your save are current. Once done, check your currencies and blueprint inventory so you know what's missing. You then open Garage, tap Shop, and go straight to Vehicles to search for SRT options, Direct Buy, Blueprint, or Crate entries. If an SRT isn't listed, move on to Event and Crate tabs. Those often rotate exclusive cars. Make sure you note exact cost and any event requirements before committing currency. Once you have a plan, focus on the routes that yield SRT parts. Run event races, daily missions, and crate runs that list blueprints as rewards. Use boosters and the highest drop rate tracks you can consistently win to speed progress. When you get duplicate parts or crates, convert them at the garage crafting station or trade them in for blueprints. This stacks toward a full SRT build. Make sure to manage stamina or fuel so you don't stall progress mid-grind. You complete the process by assembling the SRT once blueprints are full or buying it in the shop. Claim it to your garage and install basic performance parts right away. Then tune gearing, differential, and suspension to match off-road tracks. Make incremental changes and test runs to dial handling. If the SRT doesn't appear after purchase or craft, try clearing cache or logging out and back in. If that fails, contact support with your save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.